Hey, what's up, YouTube? Just got this from Amazon. It's for my Honda Navi. Here's the windscreen. Looks like there's some brackets in there. Yeah, let's open this up and let's get started today. Okay, here's everything when it's laid out. You got the hardware right there, you got the bracket, and you got the windscreen itself. All right, let's get started. All right, so after you remove screw 1, 2, 3, and 4, you're gonna remove the headlight assembly and this little bracket. It's gonna fit in there somehow. Let's get to that. Okay, so the next step is you're gonna get that smaller bracket and you're gonna somehow squeeze it in there. And what's nice is that you can see that it stays above the current bracket that was already there. So yeah, just rest it up, and then I think you're going to reuse the old bolts that you just removed.
One eternity later.
Okay guys, so for this install, the biggest thing is trying to get those spacers in the top and the bottom. It's a struggle, and yeah, it took me a while, but yeah, you just gotta use the long silver screws that they give you with it, and yeah, it fits. So once it's installed, this is what it looks like. So tell me, what do you guys think? Do you guys think I should keep this on the bike? Leave a comment down below and let me know what you think. Another thing I'm going to do is I'm going to test it out. I'm going to go for a ride and tell you guys what I think about it. Alright, so here I am on a ride and I'm testing this windscreen. Right now, I don't know if this windscreen is actually helping or not.
I did feel a bit of a chill on my chest. I definitely feel the chill on my chest. Not just my chest, but even in my stomach a little. I will give it to the windscreen though. For the price, it's a lot sturdier than I thought it would be.
Okay, so I just got back from the ride, and here's my final thoughts. Despite having the windscreen on, I could still feel a lot of the wind and the cold on my chest. It's not a particularly windy day, as you can see. The trees aren't really shaking or moving, but yeah, I mean, I don't know, maybe it did help, maybe it didn't, but you know, aesthetic wise though, I think it does look really good on the Navi. So again, let me know what you guys think. Let me know if you have experience with this particular windscreen. Let me know if you guys want me to test out some more windscreens. All right, but I appreciate you guys dropping in on my video, and till next time.